Welcome back, and in today's video I'll guide you through the process on how you can link Shazam with Spotify music on your iPad. So the first step is to install both apps. So ensure that you've installed Shazam on your iPad as well as Spotify music. Once those have been installed, then you can launch the apps. From here, swipe up to open your music library, then tap on the settings icon here. In your Shazam settings, you should see Spotify as well as a button labeled connect. Tap on it and then you'll need to confirm the connection. So once you've connected Shazam with Spotify, you can also choose to sync Shazam to Spotify automatically, or you can choose to do it manually. So once you've done that, you can close your settings, and now you can start using Shazam with Spotify. To do this, say for example you want to open any of these songs in your recent Shazams, like this one. So you would select it, then you should see Spotify and open. So tap on it, and this will take you to Spotify, and it will automatically bring you the song. Now you can tap on it and you can listen to the music. You can also choose to add it to your playlists and to your library. It's up to you. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.